This video is to help you with number 4 on CR Helper number 28. It says to simplify the following expression. 5 plus 4 times the quantity 3 plus x. So this is an algebraic expression because it has a variable. It has this x. But whether it has variables, numbers, or a mixture of both, you always, when we simplify an expression, we follow PEMDAS. Parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, left to right. And then in your very last step, you'll do any addition or subtraction of like terms, left to right. So the first part we try to start is within parentheses. But if we look within parentheses, 3 plus x, there's nothing we can do with that. Those are not like terms. 3 plus x with our algebra tiles would be 3 squares and a rectangle. That would be represented by 3 plus x. So you can't shove them together. Some kids like to try to make them be 3x. Well, 3x visually looks like this. 3x looks like 3 rectangles. That represents 3x, and hopefully you can see 3 squares and a rectangle is not the same as 3 rectangles. So you cannot combine those. Those are not like terms. So there's nothing we can do within parentheses. Bye-bye, parentheses. Then we move on to exponents. With exponents, I look, are there any exponents? Okay, there's no exponents. Moving on to multiplication or division, left to right. So I really have to look, is there any multiplication or division left to right? Oh, right here. This means 4 times 3 plus x. That's what those parentheses mean. 4 times 3 plus x. Oh, how do I multiply 4 by 3 plus x? I have to distribute the 4 through the parentheses. I have to use my distributive property. So that means I have 5 plus and then 4 times 3. That's what it means to distribute through. It means to multiply 4 times 3, keep this plus sign, and it means to multiply 4 times x. All right. Well, now I've cleared my parentheses. I've taken care of distributing through my parentheses. So now I look, do I have multiplication or division left to right? I sure do. So that's 5 plus, and then I have to do 4 times 3 is 12. So that's 5 plus 12 plus 4 times x. We write that as 4x. It means 4 x's. I'm like, phew, I just handled all my multiplication division left to right. Now in my last step, I'm going to add or subtract left to right. So I look here, I said, oh, these are like terms. I can combine these two. 5 plus 12 is 17. Keep my plus sign and keep my 4x. And the last step, we say, can I combine 17 and 4x? No, I can't. These are not like terms. This one has an x. This one does not. So visually, this would be 17 little squares plus 4 rectangles. You can't put those together. Those are not like terms. So our final answer would be 17 plus 4x. I hope that helps.